Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In previous video, we have discussed the definition of exact equation and also we saw the necessary and sufficient condition for exactness and also we discussed the general solution of an exact equation. In this video, I would like to give an example on exact equations. See, this is the statement of the given problem. Solve y into 1 plus 1 by x plus cos y whole into dx plus x plus log x minus x and y whole dy is equal to 0. Okay, so clearly we are observing that this equation is in the standard form of mdx plus ndy is equal to 0. Clearly, given differential equation is in the form of standard form mdx plus ndy is equal to 0. This is the standard form of first order and of first degree differential equation. Okay, what is m value? You should compare the given equation with this form. So you will get the value of m. What is m? Coefficient of dx in the given problem, which is y into, look at this term, y whole into 1 plus 1 by x plus cos y. And what about capital N? Coefficient of dy, which is x plus log x minus x into sin y. Okay, first of all we have to verify that whether the given differential equation is exact or not. What is the condition for exactness? Dou m by dou y is equal to dou n by dou x. Please calculate these both parts. Okay, see, dou m by dou y means partial differentiation of this term with respect to y. So dou by dou y of bracket open y times of 1 plus 1 by x plus cos y. So here whenever you are taking the partial differentiation with respect to y, except y remaining are all constants, particularly x variable x becomes constant. So 1 plus 1 by x is a constant term which is in product. So write outside of the derivative. So 1 plus 1 by x into dou by dou y of y, dou by dou y of y plus cos y is only in terms of y, that's why it is a variable. So separate the terms, dou by dou y of cos y. So already we know that partial derivative of y with respect to y is nothing but 1. In this case just you write the ordinary derivative of y with respect to y, which is 1. 1 into 1 plus 1 by x. So it would be 1 plus 1 by x. And partial differentiation of cos y with respect to y is nothing but ordinary derivative of cos y with respect to y. So you should write it is minus sin y. Everybody knows that derivative of cos y is minus sin y. This is the dou m by dou y value. Okay. On other hand, you should find out dou n by dou x. Dou n by dou x. That is equal to, in this case, only x is the variable. Only x is the variable. Separate the terms. Dou by dou x of x plus dou by dou x of log x minus, here sin y is constant which is in product. That's why take outside the sin y term from the differentiation. So you will get sin y into dou by dou x of x. So what is the partial derivative of x with respect to x? Nothing but you should write ordinary derivative, which is 1, and derivative of log x with respect to x is 1 by x, and here you will get 1 into sin y, sin y. So this is the dou n by dou x value. Okay, we are observing that these both are same. So dou m by dou y is equal to dou n by dou x. So given differential equation is exact. We conclude that given differential equation is exact. So whenever given differential equation becomes exact, immediately we can write the general solution directly. Okay, see the general solution of this equation. Now the required general solution of given differential equation is, what is the formula for general solution of an exact equation? Integration m dx. You should treat y as constant in the first part, plus what is the second part? Integral terms of n. Integral terms of n not containing x. Not containing x whole into dy is equal to c. C is the arbitrary constant, otherwise integral constant. C. You should write each and every term in m. What is m? This one. Y into 1 plus 1 by x plus cos y whole into dx. Don't forget one thing, here y is constant. Plus, don't write all terms of n. You should write terms of n which do not containing x. Actually here, this is the Catlin, okay, coefficient of dy. Here n has 3 parts, first one, second one and third one. But each and every part contains x. So, you don't take any term here. Just write 0, okay, is equal to c. Each and every term has x. X is involved. That's why don't take any term here. Directly you can take 0. So, y is constant term. Take outside from the integration. 1 plus 1 by x dx. Here also cos y is the constant. So, right outside of the integration. Remaining term is only 1 dx is equal to c. So, y into, what is integral 1 dx? X. What is integral 1 by x dx? Log x. Plus, integral 1 dx is x. That's why I will write as x into cos y is equal to c. So, this is the required general solution of given differential equation. In this way, we can easily solve the equation which is of the form m dx plus n dy is equal to 0. And don't forget one important point. Since given equation is of first order and of first degree differential equation, its general solution should contain only one parameter, which is c. Okay, don't forget to write c here. Okay, some of the members written as 0, which is not a general solution. It may be a only solution. Okay, in the next video I will give some more examples on this concept. Thank you very much.